All right, today I'm gonna teach you a really simple recipe using only 5 ingredients. It tastes absolutely amazing. And it's pretty much an alternate take on a cheeseburger, a bacon cheeseburger. So there's gonna be plenty of bacon put in here. Let's go ahead and get to it. All right, we're gonna start this off. I made some bacon. I just did that to get it out of the way. As you can see, it's over here. It takes a while to make, so I did that first. Then I just wiped the pan out real quick. Now I'm gonna go ahead and throw my ground beef in there. You can use ground turkey instead. You're gonna cook it up until it's nice and brown, no pink going on before you go into the next step. So I'll come back to you once mine's all cooked up. All right, as you can see, mine's all nice and browned up. I got a lot of juice going on there. I'm gonna go ahead and drain it out and put all the meat in a bowl and put it off to the side for right now before going on to the next step. But I'm gonna go ahead and turn off the camera for that part just because I don't wanna bore you guys with watching me scoop it out of there little bit by little bit. But I'll come back to you guys right before the next step starts. All right, so it took me a while. My pasta was boiling up. Oh, pulled it out too fast. I have one of these nifty little, sorry, my arm's in the way, nifty little like self-straining ones. So let's go ahead and put the pasta straight into the skillet. I'm gonna put that off to the side for now. All right, go ahead and stir it up. All right, next you're going to add a little can of tomato paste. Boop. Just gonna put the whole can in since I'm making a bunch of stuff. I made 2 boxes of macaroni since I'm making it for my big old family. So you got that. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put in a can of diced tomatoes. Give a little sauciness to it. Mix that all up, make sure the tomato paste, okay, that's all up in there. And tomatoes will act like having tomatoes on a good old burger. All right. And then we're gonna go ahead and dump the burger we cooked in there. Let me just move that around a little bit. Mix it all up so it's all up in there. I have it on a low heat right now because I'm just gonna be using this to heat everything up since everything's already cooked. I'm gonna go ahead and get the bacon, crumble it up, put it in there. Look at that yummy bacon. Oh yeah. Crumble it up, put it in there. I don't care what size the pieces are because, you know, everyone loves bacon. I think there's one food in this house that everyone can agree upon. I made a lot of bacon because I got a lot of people to feed. I'll save that one for someone to test out here. Mix it all up again. Make sure the bacon gets all up in there. Maybe use a spoon to break it up a little bit more. And then I'll go ahead and get some good old cheddar cheese. Just smother that with some cheddar cheese. And make sure it covers it all up, kind of like making a nice little casserole or something. And put a nice big layer on top there. Just gonna get this slotted spoon out of there. All right, then you go ahead and cover it, keep it on low heat, and cover it until the cheese melts all over everything. Then once that's done, it's time to eat it. I'll cut back once mine's all done to show you how good it looks. All right, it's time to take a look at this. Oh yeah. Maybe I can keep it in there a little bit longer with the lid on and melt the cheese a little bit more, but look at that yumminess. Let me zoom out a little bit here so you guys can see what's going on here. I'll go ahead and scoop some of this out. Look at that. Oh, look at that. So good. Well, there you have it, some yummy, yummy bacon cheeseburger pasta. Obviously, you can mix it up. You can have it however you like having your pasta. If you want to Throw some barbecue sauce on it. Throw some barbecue sauce on it. If you just want to throw some ketchup on it, go for it. If you just want to eat it the way it is, heck, why not, you know? Just enjoy and tell me what you think. And there you have it. Told you, a nice simple recipe, only 5 ingredients. Tastes amazing, very filling. And like I said, just a nice alternative to having just a bacon cheeseburger. And as you saw, I put plenty of bacon in there. If you like this, please go down in the comments below and let me know what you added or subtracted to it, what you liked about it. If you made it at home, let me know how it turned out by going to my Facebook page or my Twitter page at DadBod Delights. Also, while you're down there, please hit that little thumbs up and the subscribe button. Also hit the little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. I try to post every week on having different recipes and other food related videos. So if you like it, go ahead and hit subscribe and see you later.